Hi guys, I'm decided to do this video because most part of the times when we're using PlanCAD Easy, we're doing cement retained restorations. So I had the need myself to create screw retained restorations and find a easy way to do it on PlanCAD Easy. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to import onto Mesh Mixer every single element of my restoration, and that means importing the opposing model and importing in this case the lower model with the abutment and with the STL file of the screw access channel. So after importing all these elements, I'm going to combine every single element that corresponds to the lower model. I'm going to combine them all together, and I will end up having two objects. I will have the opposing model, and I will have the prep model, or the restoration model, which is one single object with all three components, meaning the model, the abutment, and the screw access channel. So when we have this, we're going to then export the two objects at this time, the upper model and the lower model with everything combined. And once this is done, the next step will be to export it to that folder that was just created, to export it as two different STL files. So the opposing model will be one file, and the prep model with all combined elements will be another file. So after exporting the STL files, we're going to import everything onto PlanCAD Easy. We're going to orient our prep model. We're going to define the margin, and we're going to start planning and designing our restoration. So at this stage, what we're going to do, we're going to import back again to Mesh Mixer the three components. We're going to import the restoration, we're going to import the lower model, and we're going to import the opposing model again. And once we do that, we're going to take the lower model, which has different elements combined with the restoration. We're going to delete every other element except the restoration that we just created and the screw access channel. And to finalize the process, we're going to subtract the access channel from the restoration, and we will obtain a restoration with an access on it. We export everything to PlanCAD Easy again, and we're ready to mill this crown on any in-house mill that we have. So I hope the video was useful for you for your clinical practice. Please leave your comments and questions down below, and subscribe to the channel if you want to be updated as far as new content that it's about to come.